Hey guys, so in this video we're just going to do a quick optimization because at the moment we do have a significant drop in FPS when we play the game, and that is just because our preview actor is spawned all the time and it's quite far away and it has to render, and we don't actually have to have him spawned. We just can create him when we open the inventory, okay? And then when we close the inventory we can destroy him. So to do that we need to go to player blueprint. Here on begin play, when we have a spawn preview actor, we're going to remove it from here and instead call it when we open the inventory. So you can do it here in the end, just before the time dilation, and do spawn preview actor. Now we need to open our preview actor, so go to blueprint preview actor and open preview actor blueprint. Go to event graph. Don't actually have begin play here, I might have deleted it, so I'm going to search for event begin play, and I need to get a player reference, so I'll cast to player blueprint. From object we'll get play character and we'll promote it to a variable called player reference. Now we have this set up, we can create one custom event. So add custom event. This one will be destroy preview actor. And we could just call destroy actor and destroy self. But that doesn't always get rid of all the attached weapons, especially anything that we have attached to the socket, okay? So what we need to do is, before this, we need to get, or just right click anywhere, get attached actors, and then we're going to do for each loop, but do the reverse one, because if we go from the first object it might rename the second one and then it won't be valid anymore, so it won't remove it. So we're going to do reverse, and we're going to check if this array element is valid, which is the attached object. And if it is, we're going to destroy it and connect the array element here. Okay, so it will loop through all of the attached items and it will destroy them. And after it's completed, we just copy this and we destroy ourselves, which is the preview actor. Compile and save. Now back in player blueprint, we do have a preview actor reference, which we create when we spawn him. So we're going to get it, preview actor reference, get it, right click, convert to validated get. So we can check if it's valid, because it might happen that we somehow open the inventory without creating him. And if it's valid, we're going to, from preview actor reference, call the destroy preview actor. Okay, so after we close the inventory, we destroy him. Compile and save, and now this will work with the actor doesn't exist until we open the inventory, and when we close it, it gets destroyed. But the problem is when we set some items and close the inventory and open it again, it resets the character. So to fix it, what we need to do is in a preview actor, we're going to create one more custom event. Add custom event, this will be set preview actor. And let's call it here, let's call it on begin play, set preview actor. And what we're going to do here is we're going to get a player reference, get attached equipment info, not the actors, but info, because this is where we stored all of the info of attached items. And we're going to get the values and keys. Actually the keys in the back. Connect it, and then for each value, so for each loop, we're going to call the function that we have here, which attaches equipment to preview actor. And we need to do this because in this function we're also creating the attach actors, references. So it will basically work as if we equip the item in the player, but it will do all of them in the beginning. So connect this. Error element is item info. Index is not equipment slot index. We need to get the copy from here and connect this array index. And it will get the value of the slot number where it actually the item needs to be attached. And after we have done that, we are calling it here. Perfect. So this will set all the equipment. Now inside the player, one more thing. Inside the preview actor, we didn't connect. Here in attach equipment, we do have a bow that is not connected. And while we're here, we can comment this and again do to update item type. So later we can find it easier. And we also have it in remove equipment from preview actor. So bow goes here. And actually here we should maybe do a valid check as well. So before this, just drag from here, do is valid, and hold Control over this arrow and connect this here. And if it's valid, we'll destroy the actor because it might happen that it's not valid. Compile and save. Let's also comment this to update item info. Item type. And now we can go back to player. In use item, we need to check the remove attached item function. And here we have a remove preview equipment from preview actor. For now it will work fine because we're only equipping or removing items when we have an open inventory. But later on, if we want to have a quick slots and we want to equip straight away, the inventory is not open, so this preview actor doesn't exist. So what we can do is disconnect this, connect it here, Control X, and paste it in the back. Connect this back on. Don't forget to have this local info connected. And then here we're going to convert this to a validated get. And we're going to check if it's valid. And if it's valid, we'll remove equipment from preview actor. Index is the slot index that we have here. And now also in attach equipment, is it attach item? In a use item, attach item. And here we got the same thing. So let's hold Control over this arrow, connect this one here, move this back. With these things, disconnect this one. And now do validated get again. So convert to validated get. And if it exists, if it's valid, then we're going to attach it. Compile and save. Now we've played the game. Pick up some items and equip them. We close the inventory, the preview actor should be destroyed. And once you open, it sets the equipment as it was before, okay? Just want to test out all of the weapons because the weapons usually are the problem. Because once you attach it to the component, you know, it can give you some errors, but attach few things, close it, open it again, you have it attached. You can remove the items, You can add new ones, and it's working the same way as before. But now when we play the game, we have about 20 FPS more than we had before, because the preview actor doesn't have to render. And that is all. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!